can now create a full e-commerce business without writing a single line of code. You can set up products, collect payments, manage orders, link catalog to external platforms, optimize site SEO, and run everything from one place. That too without paying a single rupee for hosting. Anyone can launch a store today, but the only problem is choosing the right store. Today in this video, I will show you the best no-code e-commerce builder you can use right now. You can create your online store, upload your products, track your sales, and run your entire business without touching code or switching apps. This is the e-commerce builder by Odoo. Just to give you more context, Odoo is an all-in-one business management software that covers all your business needs. With 45 plus applications, it can handle everything from CRM, project, inventory, accounting, and much more. Now back to Odoo e-commerce builder. This tool gives you the website, store, payments, inventory, SEO, marketing, and analytics in one place. And the best part is it's free for lifetime for unlimited users. After you sign up on the Odoo, you just have to select the e-commerce app. You need to enter your store name, your website domain, your email, and the basic details. This is all you need to start. Odoo's AI takes over from here. The AI asks you the purpose of your website. You start with your store objective and goals. Pick one of the pre-made color palette or upload your logo, and Odoo AI will make one from it. You just have to choose pages and features like about, contact, privacy policy, terms, or anything else your business needs. You only select what you want to include. Odoo prepares everything in the background. Next, Odoo shows you multiple catalog styles. You choose a catalog template that fits your product type. You see clean list views, grid views, and modern layouts. Pick the one that matches your brand and what you plan to sell. Now after all this, Odoo asks you to choose your product page layout. This defines how your product image, title, price, and description will appear. You will see different styles with clear spacing and strong focus on conversions. Select the one that matches your visual style. Then you just have to choose your theme. Odoo shows you business-ready themes designed with spacing, typography, and layout best practices. You have to pick one and Odoo starts building the website instantly. In a few seconds, your full e-commerce store is ready. Home page, header, footer, navigation bar, shop page, product page, placeholders, policies, and all the pages you selected. Everything is already structured. You do not code anything, you don't have to install plugins. Now you can also customize. Just open the website editor and you can drag and drop blocks, change text, replace image, and adjust each section. You can edit everything with real-time preview. If you want a hero section, you can drag it. The beauty is that you can choose from a variety of different design templates, each showcasing different styles and needs. And if you want product grids, testimonials, or banners, you can drag them. It feels like editing a simple document. You can even see how the store looks on phones and customize accordingly. The footer shows all the acceptable payment methods along with a better design to reassure the clients. Once your layout is ready, you move to listing your products to sell. Odoo e-commerce provides different product page templates that you can fine-tune according to your need. First, you can add your products within 5 easy setups. Upload image, set the price, write the description, choose the category, and define the stock. You can add variants for size, color, material, or any custom option you want, and publish the product when you are ready, and it appears on your store instantly. To make the product page more better, you can add reviews and testimonials, external media, description, carousel image, and much more. Now speaking of description, if you are short on time or have a writer's block, you can use Odoo AI to write a compelling text block for you. You can even ask the AI to translate the text for you. But for our products, we need an aesthetic shop page. Odoo has bought new shop page templates that come with a variety of filters to elevate the customer's experience. If you have different attributes or variants, the client can hover different variants from the shop page. No need to click. This flow lets anyone build a complete online store in minutes. No code, no plugins, no complex setup. After adding products, open the configuration section and go to the payment providers. This is where you choose how your customers will pay. Odoo supports Razorpay, Stripe, PayPal, and many more global gateways. You can click the provider you want and connect and activate it, and your checkout is ready. Now you can manage all your orders from one dashboard: pending, confirmed, shipped, cancelled. You track payment status, customer information, delivery updates, and any notes you add. You don't have to switch tools or connect external apps. You can connect your custom domain to your website. Just enter the domain, update your DNS records, and Odoo links it automatically. Your website runs with your brand on your domain name. Now that our online store is ready, we need traffic, but don't worry for that. The SEO optimizer will take care of search engine ranking. The tool autofills meta title, description, and suggests relevant keywords for the product. You can link your catalog to Google Merchant Center as well as to social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, as well as on online merchants like Amazon. You can track your entire store performance without installing anything extra. Odoo shows you traffic, conversions, total revenue, best selling products, abandoned carts, and visitor behavior. You get analytics and reporting built in. Everything stays inside one system. You don't have to manage plugins, you don't need to connect multiple dashboards, and you don't need to worry about integrations breaking. You run your entire e-commerce workflow in a clean, unified platform. If you want to try this for yourself, I have added the link in the description. The best part is that Odoo's first app is free for lifetime with unlimited users, so you can build your entire e-commerce store without paying anything. You can test every feature, add products, set up payments, and publish your site immediately. Explore the builder, customize your page, and see how fast the workflow feels. If you want more videos on no-code tools, e-commerce setups, and AI-powered business workflows, tell me in the comments. Your comments decide the next video.